Welcome to Best Choice. The best folding picnic basket table wooden is probably one of the most versatile and convenient additions to any outdoor enthusiast's gear, seamlessly blending the functionality of a sturdy picnic basket with a portable table, making it an indispensable companion for everything from spontaneous park lunches to elaborate backyard gatherings, ensuring your food stays clean and accessible while providing a stable surface for dining and drinks. Number 5. Benevolence LA Authentic Handwoven Mexican Blanket. Discover the authentic handwoven Mexican blanket, crafted with care and vibrant colors. Each piece is a unique work of art, woven by local artisans on traditional looms. Elevate your yoga practice with this high-quality blanket. It's super soft, breathable, and easy to carry, making it the ideal companion for your workouts. This blanket is perfect for all your adventures, from picnics and beach days to cozy nights at home. Its stylish design adds a vibrant touch wherever you go. Experience the comfort of this soft and durable blanket. It's lightweight yet generously sized, and it only gets softer and more comfortable with every wash. Planning an outdoor escape. This large blanket is perfect for the beach, picnics, or simply relaxing on the grass. It keeps you comfortable and clean. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Our authentic blankets are ideal for any occasion. Plus, every purchase helps us give back to communities in need. What we like? If you love authentic, handmade items with a story, this is for you. Its vibrant colors and soft, durable material make it perfect for adding a touch of bohemian flair to your yoga practice, beach days, or cozy home relaxation. Choose this if you appreciate unique craftsmanship and want to support artisans. What people say. The softness of this blanket is simply unmatched. It's like being wrapped in a cloud of comfort, providing a cozy and soothing experience every time I use it. Despite its luxurious feel, the blanket remains lightweight, making it a breeze to carry around for various activities. The authentic Mexican patterns and colors add a touch of cultural flair to any setting, whether it's draped over furniture or worn as a shawl. Number 4. Willow Picnic Basket Set for 2. Introducing the Willow Picnic Basket Set, perfect for 2. It's designed to make your outdoor dining experiences comfortable and stylish. This generously sized basket easily holds all your dining essentials. Its thoughtful dimensions ensure you can pack everything you need for a delightful meal outdoors. Everything you need is included: quality utensils, durable plates, elegant wine glasses, soft napkins, and a convenient bottle opener. It's ready for any occasion. Featuring a charming cherry print on a linen background and unique dual canvas straps, this basket offers a refreshing and elegant look. It's sure to impress. Expertly crafted from high-quality, natural willow, this basket is both strong and durable. Enjoy a classic and relaxing outdoor dining experience. A large, waterproof picnic blanket is included, providing a comfortable seating area for up to 6 people. Use it with the basket or on its own. What we like? For couples or small families looking for a complete picnic experience, this basket is ideal. It comes with all the essentials, including utensils, plates, glasses, and a large insulated cooler to keep your food fresh. If you want convenience and a touch of classic elegance for your outings, this is the one. What people say. It fits a lot of food, the insulation part is the best on the warm, quality is awesome, comes with everything, plates, forks and knives, cups, the color is so cute, especially of the blanket, so cute. All of the plates, silverware, and glasses came in perfect condition and work great. In addition, the blanket fits the both of us and there's plenty of room for 1 or 2 more adults or a few little ones, if you so chose. The bottom fabric is water resistant, and it worked well for me on damp grass a few days after heavy rain. Large enough for 4 people to sit on, but only enough space for 2 to lay down on if you're not tall. Number 3. Best Choice Products 2-in-1 Transforming Picnic Table Garden Bench. Introducing a versatile piece of furniture that effortlessly transforms from a picnic table to a garden bench in mere seconds. It's perfect for enjoying meals outdoors or simply relaxing. Crafted from sturdy, natural wood, this piece is built to last. It comfortably seats up to 4 people as a table and 2 as a bench, and it's lightweight for easy placement. This innovative furniture combines a bench and table into one, making it an ideal choice for optimizing space in your backyard, patio, or garden. It's perfect for smaller outdoor areas. Stay cool and protected from the sun with the convenient built-in umbrella hole. It accommodates most standard umbrellas, providing shade for your outdoor activities. The natural wood finish is perfect for customization. Paint it to match your style and seamlessly integrate it into any outdoor setting. What we like. If you have limited outdoor space but still want versatile furniture, this transforming table and bench is a game changer. It easily switches between a picnic table for meals and a bench for lounging, making it perfect for small backyards or patios. Consider this if you value multifunctionality and clever design. What people say. Good product. Well made and easy to assemble. The wood has a nice finish. This picnic table bench is super useful and easy to assemble. I like the design of this item as it functions as either a picnic table or a sitting bench. It transforms to either one very easily. Number 2. Best Choice Product 6-Person Wooden Picnic Table. This picnic table and bench set is crafted from weather-resistant wood with a beautiful blonde finish. It's built to be a long-lasting addition to your outdoor space. Designed to comfortably seat up to 6 people, it's perfect for family meals and gatherings. Each bench can hold up to 500 pounds, accommodating 2 people per bench. Enjoy your time outdoors with the convenient built-in umbrella hole. It's perfectly sized to fit a patio umbrella, providing welcome shade on sunny days. This versatile outdoor set is ideal for any area of your backyard. Place it on your patio, in the garden, or under a shady tree for a delightful dining experience. Embrace your creativity with its natural wood texture, perfect for a DIY project. You can easily paint it to match your personal style or existing outdoor decor. With a total weight capacity of 1,500 pounds, this table offers ample space for food and company. Its dimensions are 35 inches in diameter and 27 inches in height. What we like. For larger gatherings and families who love to dine outdoors, this circular picnic table is perfect. It comfortably seats 6 people with its integrated benches and features a durable, weather-resistant construction. If you're looking for a sturdy, classic outdoor dining setup for your backyard or garden, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Real cedar wood. It smells wonderful. The build, materials, and hardware are all good quality. The size is on the smaller side, comfortably seating 6 small to medium-sized humans who don't mind sitting in close pairs. Visually, the table and benches look very nice. It's designed with more of a traditional, outdoor picnic table look, and I appreciate the tasteful aesthetic. It looks stunning, natural, and not cheap at all. It looks like a quality custom piece, much better in person than the photo. It's not heavy, so easy to move around, but heavy enough where it won't be affected by extreme weather. Number 1. STBoo Insulated Wicker Picnic Basket for 4. Introducing the STBoo Picnic Basket, designed for 4 people. This insulated wicker hamper is your ideal companion for any outdoor adventure, offering convenience and style. It features a patented, large picnic basket with an integrated folding table, perfect for enjoying your meals outdoors. The table is sturdy, portable, and designed to hold your drink securely. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for 4 people: stainless steel tableware, plastic wine glasses, a bottle opener, and salt and pepper shakers. It's ready for any occasion. The basket boasts a special insulated cooler compartment, made with high-density sponge and aluminum foil. It effectively maintains the temperature of your food and drinks, whether it's hot or cold outside. Handmade from selected willow, this picnic basket is built for durability with a strong construction. It combines natural beauty with practical features for lasting use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This Willow picnic basket set is perfect for anniversaries, birthdays, holidays, and romantic picnics. Give the gift of memorable outdoor experiences. What we like. This basket is designed for those who want a comprehensive picnic solution for 4 people. It features a convenient folding table, a spacious insulated cooler to keep food and drinks at the perfect temperature, and all the necessary tableware. If you frequently picnic with family or friends and need an all-in-one, portable dining solution, this is your ideal companion. What people say. The table is perfect and the plates they bring are the perfect size. The insulation kept the food in perfect condition and we drove for almost 40 minutes. Properly designed. Good quality. Great buy, every utensil you need for a picnic for 2, easily open table, plenty of insulated storage space for food drink. Also, the table worked great for impromptu breakfast in bed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.